Hello friends, you're welcome back to the Chimade Executive Video channel. In this video, I want to teach you how to carry out your daily activities where you earn money daily on Vistalog. Vistalog is a platform where you just have to make payment of only 5K, one-time payment to buy a coupon code and become a member. And once you've done that, you'll be earning every day. Now, if you don't understand what to do, you're going to be getting so much confused. That's why I want to prepare this video. Please pay attention and watch this video to the end. So the first thing is to log in. The Vistalog login is vistalog.org/sign-in. Or once you type in that, you're going to see sign in, but you sign in. But it's always good to just go with Vistalog login. And now once you've done that, you're going to find yourself in a place like this. Simply put either your registered email or your username. When you put your registered email or username, you put your password. I'm going to do that. You see what I'm talking about? You see your email or your username, anyone can go, your registered password, then you click on sign in. And that's exactly what I'm going to do right away. Now, when you do that, the system is going to bring you up here. You can see you're not yet seeing your interface. So this is one of the places people get confused because you have typed in your login details, yet you are not even in your back office. You're like, what is going on here? Am I confused or am I getting it wrong? No. As long as you are seeing dashboard, click on dashboard. You can click the one up here, or you can click the one here, any one of them, but make sure you click on dashboard. Now, before I continue, please, let me explain something. The system is asking me to save. No, I'm not interested. Please, go. Let me explain something right now. Please. I want to show you something. You'll be seeing a lot of pop-up ads. Please. This is one of the ways the system makes, money. And when you see a system that says, we'll pay you for carrying out simple tasks, you always should be asking, how do they make money? And this is one of the ways. So some of these pop-up ads could be so irritating, please. But whenever you see like this one now, I just have to remove it. I click here. Now, when you want to remove it most times, you might discover that the system would still take it to another page. Go back. Use the, that back button to go back to the main page and continue what we are doing. Because now I want to click on dashboard. I click on dashboard. Look at it, it has taken me to another thing again. That's what I'm saying. Don't be tired. This is how the system is making money. Make sure you get it correctly. Now, when I click on my dashboard and it works for me, it's working now. This is my account. So, you cannot stop doing this until you get what you are looking for. So, and most times you may not need to do it multiple times before you get it. It's just that the way we rush it, maybe you want to, instead of targeting to click the rating, you click too hard and it's on the body of the system and the pop-up ads will come up because that's how they make money. You understand? Now, when you click and come here and you see this information, because there's always a notice, you'll be asking again, what kind of trouble is this? Why is this one blocking my account? No. Click by any parts outside this notice, inside your back office, and it will go off. It's gone. Now, this is my account right now. I want to still show you how to carry out that daily task. I have an affiliate balance of 4K, and I have a tax balance of 20,500. Minimum withdrawal is 25K. I'm paid on every 25th day of the month. So if you're able to make up to 25K on every 25th day of the month, which is very possible, because once you join, the system gives you 3,000 naira. If you look at it, 800 and all that, if you keep doing the right thing and do some other things and all that, you can make it. Or even if you don't make it within the first month, you can still make it in your second month. So make sure you are doing and carrying these activities. So what do I do now to carry these activities? Let me check. Today is February 2nd. I've logged in, so I've earned my login bonus. I want to teach you this. Any day you are done doing your activities on Vistalog, log out. Let me tell you why I say log out. so that the following day you should log in to earn this 200 naira. If you don't log out, normally if your system phone is in a way whereby if you don't log out, when you come in, your system is still open. You say, well, thank God, I don't want to disturb myself. It's open. You miss the login bonus because the system knows you've not logged in, even though you're using it for the new day. So log out so that you can log in and end this. Having earned this, the next thing is to carry out the two remaining tasks. That's what I'm going to show you now. Now look at this button here. Are you seeing it? The one at the center. That center button. You are going to click on it. Now when you click on it, see what we are seeing here. You are seeing all of this. Visit website, log out. Are you seeing it? You are seeing all of this. You are seeing dashboard. But you are seeing this thing here. It's clickable. It's a hypertext. So click on Vistalog. That's the one you're going to click on now, please. Click on Vistalog and it brings you down here again. Watch, watch, watch. Now when it brings you down again, these pop-ups are coming up. Let me try to remove them. It's gone. You see what I'm saying? Because I quietly did it. I didn't click on the body of my dashboard. So that thing quietly went out. I clicked on the X that shows close button. It closes. But if I'm too rushing, I may click another place. It takes me to another pop-up and all that. Now, once you are here, pay attention. Look at this thing here. Are you seeing this? These three lines. It's a drop down. It's a drop down menu. That's what we normally call it. It's called drop. You are going to click on that drop down. Now, when you click it right, you see what you're going to, if pop-up comes up, we'll go back again. Let's click on that. Pop-up has come up. I go back again. I'm going to click it. Now, when you click it right, you're going to find yourself here. Are you see what I'm saying here? Where you're going to see coupon code, Vista Post, Advert Post. The two things you're going to do now that will earn you additional 600 naira plus your login detail bonus of 200 is Vista Post and Advert Post. I'm going to take it one after the other. So I click on Vista Post. Be mindful again, if you click carelessly, pop-up will come up. But let's see. Oh, no pop-up. It's coming up. I've clicked on Vista Post. Now, Vista Post comes every day. Advert Post comes every day. So make sure you are dealing with the one that has to do with today. So the dates are there. This is Vista Post for today, 2nd February. Now, watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to tap on this Vista Post for it to open. Like I said, if I tap it too hard, pop-up is going to come. But if I'm careful, no, pop-up has come up. I go back again. Don't worry. It's something you get to master. It's okay. Now it's opening up. Yes. Now this is our post. And once you are dealing with Vista Post, once you get to this point, please ignore all this. Once you get to this point, all you need to do is what? Click on share. And now this is where, if you are going to do Vistalog, please make sure that you have a TikTok account. Very important. Because I'm going to click on share and it's going to take us to TikTok. Make sure you have a Telegram account. This is very free. You're not paying anything. So if you're going to make money online, do where to get all of this. Just register account with them. Download and install TikTok, install Telegram, register with them, and you have them. It's not a big deal. You have WhatsApp too. Now, I'm going to click on share. Remember, if you click and another thing comes up, it means that it's the pop-up. Please get your this thing right. Myself is here, I'm making mistakes, showing that everybody can make mistakes. That is going. It's coming up. It's taking me now to the TikTok. Having taken me to TikTok, listen to me. I will still go back. Use your back arrows to go back to the original page. I don't need to do much. Yes, if this is your first time of visiting, this is the TikTok page of Vistalog. If your first time, you will notice the system you are not yet following. So click on follow. Follow the system. Good for you. But if you're already, like myself, I'm already following, so I don't need to do that. Please, you don't have anything to do. As long as you are here, go back, go back. Don't waste your time. And in going back, you may need to double click this. I've done that. I've gone back. As I'm talking to you now, I've ended that round. We're going to see it. Now, I'm done with Vista Post. I'm going to do with Advert Post. So what do? I still click on this 3 arrow again that is here close to my dashboard. I click on it. If I don't get it, a pop-up will take over. Okay, I've got it. So Advert Post. I click on Advert Post. It's opening up. Advert Post for today, February, this and that. And now I will now click on it to open fully. The pop-ups are so irritating, yes. But since that's the way they make money to pay, I wouldn't mind doing it. Okay. Okay, it's opening up. Yes, I've gotten it. Now, this one, you remember the other one is share. This one is engage here. You click on engage. Once you have clicked on it, it's opening up. This is not here. So once you have done this, it's taking me because they want you to engage on WhatsApp. But brother, friend, you don't need to do that. As long as you have clicked that, go back again to that page. You have done what you're supposed to do. Let's watch now. We are here. Now, we have done these 2 things. You see how simple. The only thing delaying us are those pop-ups. If not, these are very simple. But if by the time you master it, just take it as part of the system. Is how they make their money. Now, click back on dashboard. Let's go back to our dashboard. You see that I've earned these 300 for these 2 things. Let's check. I now click by the side to check. Okay, let's check. I see it. Vista Post earning 300. Advert Post earning 300. That's today, February 2nd. Login today. So every day, this 800 naira, I've earned it. Tomorrow, as long as it's tax, this is how I earn from tax. If I want to earn more, then I refer others. And in referring others, all you need to do, copy your referral link. Let the person buy, either the person buys the coupon code online or can give you money you buy for him since you're already an upliner. You understand? Then, why the person now has the coupon code that have already been bought for 5K, you now give the person your referral link, and the person while registering will see where to put the coupon code and registration goes on. But if it's someone also that trusts you, like people like me, I do things, those who trust me can easily hand over their login everything to me. On my own, I buy the coupon code, I register them, I hand over the whole thing, they start operating it. So life should be that way. If not, I will have a lot of evil souls. You can't even trust even your pain with them. But that's how it could have been so that things should be easy. But when you learn it your own, that is also the best. So you can see I've earned that. Now let me now check my balance. Now what I'm having now is 21,100. You could see it. So this is exactly how to earn daily on Vistalog. Please take your time, go through this video. Go through this video. Take your time. Once you master this, you won't find it difficult anymore. So, and also, when you get people to join, you share this video with them so that they will not be complaining. They will learn how these things work. Make sure you have an Instagram, TikTok account, Telegram account, and with that, and also your WhatsApp is there. People, a lot of us have WhatsApp, and that is it. So I'm going to stop at this, but I want to encourage, if you want to make money online, this 2024, don't forget that Vistalog is one of those best out there. I still have another one. Someone like me, I know of a lot of Ponzi scheme. Some of them come to me, promote for us, we know that. But when I say this Vistalog, and then the one they call Petrol Success, if you really want to make genuine money, contact me and let me show you how to join. If you want to join Vistalog, let's talk about it. Send your money. I'm a very honest person. Send your money to me. I'll buy the coupon code for you. Then you sign up and start earning. And once you sign up, the system gives you instant 3,000 naira. So it's like you just spend only 2K and you will never spend again, apart from you using your data to come and do your daily. And once you are done like this, you close it up. No more thing. The following day, you do the same thing. And so, as you gather 25K by the 25th of any month, you can make your withdrawals. And that's how it works. If you are new to this channel, please, I encourage you to subscribe and be part of what we're doing here. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I want to thank you for taking your time to watch this video. God bless you for your time.